Is this it?
Roll camera. Holy cow, I can't believe you found that.
Is that it? Seriously?
Listen, how long did it take me to drive up to this place?
An hour?
An hour. So I drove here this morning for an hour. The throttle throttle servo stopped working.
Yeah.
So then I had to drive an hour back home. Then we drive an hour back out here after I replace it, and then the drive pin fell out, even though I had Loctite in there.
Really had Loctite.
Yep, I did.
I'm glad I found it.
Thank you for finding it.
And you have the right tool?
I can't believe I have the bit with me. It's always that one bit you don't have, hey? I don't have any thread locks, so this might be a short run, but
make it worth it.
We'll make it worth it. Round 3. In its natural environment. Turn it around, bring it back. Oh, it's huge. This is a quad trail. Woo! Right through the powder.
Again!
Yeah, keep it going. Are you rolling now?
Yeah.
That's the interesting thing about these huge tires is that you guys, I haven't even had this in a non-snow environment. These tires just spin, float right on top. Use a 2-speed transmission. Oh yeah! I can't believe it made it up and over that. Look at that! Woo! For that to be able to power all 4 of those tires to get around into this area, I was shocked. Oh, I lost front drive. Look at that, let's go find out what happened. I hit this square on. Watch out, don't walk in its tracks. You want to make sure that if it does have any piece out, that I can see it. Oh, drive shaft is still intact, which is a good thing. I wonder why it wasn't driving front. Okay, let's flip her around. Give me a little room. That is a big ass truck. Woo! Let's start it up.
Good.
Yeah, it must have just been hung up. Let's go.
Good.
Yeah, all right. Right through. Yeah! Right through! Eat, eat, eat! Woohoo! I'll bring it back here up the road. It's pretty bumpy. I cannot believe the power of that engine, man. Look at that big bump. Boom, boom. It just soaks it up. All uphill. On the ice. No problem. These are full-size tire tracks out here. This is an off-road park. Oh yeah! Unbelievable. This truck is just spinning those tires on top of the ice. Plus I need to give this a better tune for the type of elevation and the coldness today. We're running about -10 Celsius. Not bad though. She's a ripper. Hey!
Hi.
Camera girl?
Let's run it through some powder.
Yeah, well, let's see if we can get it up and down this hill first.
Oh my gosh, all right, great test. Like nothing.
I thought for sure she would stall out with those gears in there. Stock gears. Yeah! Oh yeah!
No!
Zoom in, catch it!
What are you gonna catch, the RC or the tire? So funny.
Keep going. Now we have to find the wheel nut.
Oh no, okay.
How come you're always the farthest away from your vehicle?
And
with
the
the
wheel nut.
heaviest RC. This is not going to be good.
A wheel nut.
Nope. Yeah, right there.
See kids, Where's Waldo? It's a great book.
Yes. Found it.
I am the tire keeper.
Yeah.
You got the tire on?
Yeah. Not tight though.
No.
That's the truck. Always tighten your nuts.
And we're at the farthest point from the truck.
Always. That's how the hobby goes. Woo-hoo-hoo. You need earplugs with that pipe. I'm glad we're in the middle of nowhere. We get charged for sure. Pure power, baby. Okay, so here we go. This is the Primal RC Raminator. You guys have always wanted me to take it out onto the trails. I have to drive far out of the city to do that. Hopefully you've enjoyed it today. These tires were spinning like crazy on the ice. I could barely get any traction. I'm almost considering putting some screws in here, but I don't want screws flying out of my face when I'm in the back country, that's for sure, right? Or at my face, I should say. Jem, as always, thanks for filming in the background. You guys drop a like, click for Jem coming out here to help me, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Bye.
It's pretty impressive.
It's 80 pounds. It's heavier than it looks.